Ecce, equus agricolae, ecce, equus agricolae. Ecce, behold, behold, look at, look. Equus, which means horse. It's in the nominative case, so we would translate this to be the horse. Look at the horse, behold the horse. It's masculine, second declension noun. Agricolae, 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 of the farmer, genitive case. Masculine, first declension, AE extension, that is a genitive case, the genitive case. Now, take a look at these words. Equus, the horse. We translated the, we use the article, they do not. They do not use the article. Behold, look, horse, of farmer. They don't even put the in here. We do, so that it'll make sense to us. But it is not in the original. Behold, horse of farmer. Farmer, agricolae, that's the genitive case, masculine and first declension. Equus is horse. It's in the nominative case, masculine, second declension. Once again, behold, ecce, behold, ecce. Let's look at these words and examine them individually. The horse, equus, equus. There's that US ending. Let's go and look at the declension of equus. It's a second declension noun, masculine, nominative case, equus. There is our US. Genitive equi, dative equo, accusative equum, ablative equo, and vocative eque. But look over here, nominative equus. This is the subject. When it's in the nominative case, it's the subject, the horse. Next is the horse of who? Of the farmer, agricolae. That's the genitive case, AE. It's a first declension masculine noun. Nominative agricola, genitive agricolae, dative agricolae, accusative agricolam, ablative agricola, vocative agricola. But genitive is our guy here. That's what we're interested in, agricolae. So, ecce, equus agricolae, behold, horse of farmer. Look at the horse of farmer. The farmer's horse. Look at the farmer's horse. That's what he's saying. Okay, let's do another example. Ecce, behold. That's definitely not a horsey. Behold. Ecce. Oculus, eye. Canis, of the dog. Let's examine each of those words individually. Ecce, look at. Behold. Oculus. Now, it's a masculine second declension noun. Nominative oculus. It's in the nominative case, it's the subject. Genitive oculi, oculi, dative oculo, accusative oculum, ablative oculo, and vocative ocule. So, oculus, nominative case, it's the subject. Behold, the eye. Canis. Go over to the declension area, masculine third declension, nominative canis, genitive canis, same spelling, but context will tell you you're not going to have two subjects here. It's not going to be behold eye dog. It's an eye dog. That's the subject. No, it's not. It's behold eye. And look over here, genitive has the same ending as nominative. It's the genitive case. Behold the eye of the dog. Of the dog. Dative cani, accusative canem, ablative cane, and vocative canis. So, context will often tell you which case to use. So, again, behold the eye of the dog. Yes, behold the eye of the dog. Oh my goodness. Puppy's been in a fight. Naughty puppy. Naughty puppy. He's lost some teeth too. Puppy has seen better days. Well, that's it for now. So long from Hoboken Gare. It's been a lot of fun. Bye-bye now. Let's do this again. Don't forget, rate the video, click on like it, and subscribe. See you soon. Bye-bye.